So when I was young, specifically kind of, I would say middle school and high school really, I had terrible issues with my self-esteem and with my body image. I was sad a lot of the time about it. I just was not happy about the way that I looked. So I took my younger sister shopping to buy her very first bras and was just so appalled at all of the very sexualized products that were marketed to girls her age. And I remember thinking she just needs another option, a bra that fits her, it's not uncomfortable, and makes her feel good about herself because it fits her body. I was like, you know what, if no one else is going to make that bra for tween girls, then I will figure out a way to make it myself. And so it started as just a very simple idea and has really grown into something much bigger than that. Much bigger than I really imagined, and am now the founder and CEO of Yellowberry. The messages and the values and the potential of Yellowberry to truly make a difference in the lives of girls and the way that they feel about themselves is incredible and something that makes me emotional to be a part of. I think in a way it's like almost talking to myself at 10 or 11 years old when I was so insecure about the way that I looked and not wanting any other girls to feel that way.